Hi, we're here in San Francisco's Mclaren Park for a little video entitled, quite unimaginatively, Mclaren Park Chainsaw Massacre. We're walking up to an old quarry. Not sure when it was dug out, but it's been here a long time. I've been riding bicycles in this park for about 20 years, and the place we're going has always been just like a little bicycle playground. You'll see it's a flat bottom quarry. It's pretty much a rocky floor. Everything is strewn with broken glass. It's a big midden heap. And on a busy Saturday afternoon, there'll maybe be 10 people come through who aren't on bikes, and almost all of those are walking dogs. Oh, what's this? Some sort of impediment. It looks like something's happened here. Oh, look, some trees have fallen down. Oh, well, actually, what a surprise. Someone's come in here and cut that tree down. That's a big one. Leaning over here. Someone cut that big branch off. Whoa, what's going on? Some more down tree limbs. Look over here. There's a freshly cut tree sort of toppled haphazardly down there. Broken limb. Here's the quarry. You can see there's some old dead wood. That one's new. That one's new. So what's mainly been cut here is eucalyptus, but then there's some big cypress boughs that have been cut off. I'd almost call them trees. There's one. And I'll take you down and show you the intent. Oh, I assume this is the work of San Francisco Park and Rec Natural Areas. But you can see they lopped off this whole huge thing and this one. And the intent, obviously, as for this and what we saw on the trail coming up, is to keep people from riding their bikes in this little tiny area where over the years people have been here on and off, but there have been berms that have been built and some jumps and just a little play area for bikes. But Park and Rec or whoever saw fit to cut down all of these trees, and it's pretty sad to think that they hate the bikes more than they love the nature, more than they love the trees. So I guess I'd point out one other thing. You see there's no trash in here compared to what we saw walking in. That's because the people who ride in here keep it nice and clean. Self-contained, no natural vegetation to speak of. That's the way it's always been. They just scraped all the rock out of here and left it, and the soil here is only like an inch thick in most places. At any rate, I'll give you a count later and we'll see just how many branches they've cut off. Thanks. Alright, so I just did a count and they cut 13 significant trees. I'd say the average diameter of the branch or tree that they cut probably about 10 inches, and probably 2/3 eucalyptus and 1/3 cypress. And anyway, what a waste. That's it. Bye.